Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 10th. Welcome you again. Dear students, this topic we have already discussed on this in the previous video class. Dear students, from that very lecture, I would suggest to you that the question number 5 of your textbook is what is meant by Bretton Woods Agreement. So the Bretton Woods Agreement was formed for the main purpose of to preserve economic stability and full employment. This was formed after the post-war era after Second World War. So, dear students, to preserve economic stability and full employment in the industrial world, United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference was held in July 1944 at Bretton Woods in Hemisphere, USA. So, dear students, we have to remember this point that to preserve economic stability and full employment in the industrial world, the United Nations Monetary Fund and Financial Conference was held in July 1944 at Bretton Woods in Hemisphere, USA. Its main purpose was to bring the economic stability and full employment at that very period after the post-war era. This historical concept we are learning, this is for the purpose of for the development of economic scenario at that very era. Dear students, so the Bretton Woods Agreement was the main purpose of the Bretton Woods Agreement was to preserve economic stability and full employment. Before answer of this question, you have to mention this that Bretton Woods Agreement, the main purpose of the Bretton Woods Agreement was to preserve the economic stability and full employment in the industrial world. For that very purpose, United Nations Monetary and Financial Conference was held in July 1944 at Bretton Woods in Hemisphere, USA. So the Bretton Woods Conference established thereby the two institutions were formed, or the two institutions were set up. First was the IMF and second was World Bank. So the International Monetary Fund and International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, popularly known as World Bank. So the this Bretton Woods system, there were the two institutions which was known as the Bretton Woods Conference. So in this conference on July 1944, the two institutions were formed. One was IMF and second was World Bank. So, dear students, the main purpose of this IMF was the function of this IMF was to deal with external surplus and deficits of the nations. So, whosoever country was going good in the economies, in exports and imports, the International Monetary Fund was dealing with that very country, and also with that very country which was declining, whose economy was declining. So the function of this IMF was to deal with the external surplus countries as well as the deficits of the nations, which we have already learned in detail in question in previous lecture. Dear students, this Bretton Woods system was also known as TWNS. Why it was known as TWNS? Because it was made of two institutions. In one system, in one conference, or in one system, Bretton Woods system, there were two institutions which were working at that very time. So, dear students, this system was based, Bretton Woods system was based on fixed exchange rate. So, at the same time, the function of the World Bank was established for the main purpose was to finance the post-war reconstruction. This was all about the question number 5. Same questions you have to deal with in the same way, which I have already explained with you or shared with you through this video online class. Assalamu alaikum.